Okay, I'm going to use this one example. Hermes Light 2 plus SDR. I have no idea how much they are new. But he's got $1,100 invested into it. And under the red line, he says, I'm accepting fair offers over the invested amount. And I can't remember what the hell else it says. Record of component price can be made to reach this number. Well, who cares? People aren't going to give you $1 million for a home that's only worth $150,000. This is what I had for a problem as being a realtor. You know, the competitive market analysis says, or the competitive fair market price of a radio, if it's $500 or $750, I have no idea what a Hermes goes for. You know, how are you going to get above and beyond this price if it's not worth it? I don't know. I'm not picking on this guy. I'm not looking for a fight. I'm just using this as an example how QRZ and other sites are allowing all this price gouging. People are paying more for something than somebody paid for it. Does that make any sense? So here we have a Yaesu VX6R. The gentleman wants $299 in free shipping. No longer in stock because they're out of stock, but they'll be getting a shipment in soon. If you buy it new, it's only $249 with free shipping. Yeah, he's including a leather case. It was like $29, but still, that's $275. Where does he get off asking $300? I see this all the time with radios. Used radios, like the D74 by Kenwood. It was only $5 or $550 when it was new. People were asking up to $800 for those damn things. Scalping prices. Robbing those who think they have to have it. And 9 times out of 10, you're buying somebody's problems. Okay, let's look at this one. A Kenwood THF6A. I think when they were discontinued, they were $324. $345 shipped. It's coming with an aftermarket antenna, Kenwood battery, 2 aftermarket batteries, the desk charger. Okay, so he's giving you... Okay, let's look at this one. This one's a perfect example of what I'm talking about. A very, very old Yaesu FT51R. $180. Something special about that. If it still works, the screen doesn't look too bad. It's slightly washed out, maybe. Might be the way he took the photo, but still, you going to be able to buy batteries for that? I don't think so. Once a battery, if it holds any charge, you're done, man. You're SOL. You know, $180. To me, that'd be like a $75 radio, if that. Here we go. Here's another example. Yaesu FT400 XDR. There it is. $675. It wasn't even that much money when it was new. If this thing doesn't work, has issues out of the box, you're SOL. Buy newer 300, $450. The new FTM 500 DR is $650. So, yeah, newer, updated, and better features.